To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then navigate to the Updates tab located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Add Status to create a new status update. You will then see the new update layout. If it's not visible, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Now tap on it. You can choose up to 6 photos from your gallery to create your layout. Then tap the green OK button in the bottom right corner to proceed. Your selected photos will appear in the layout preview. You can change the layout by tapping the available options at the bottom. You can also resize each photo within its box, by using 2 fingers to adjust the size. And rearrange their positions by dragging them to swap places. Resizing and rearranging let you highlight key photos and create a balanced, personalized layout. When you're satisfied with the changes, tap Done in the top right corner. Now you can add text, emojis, drawings, stickers, or music as usual. Finally, tap the Send button to share your story. Your layout is now posted to your WhatsApp status, and will be visible to your contacts for the next 24 hours. So that's how you can use the new layout feature for status on WhatsApp.